Hi, back in our favorite yard. We think this is a 58. I'm not sure. You can correct this on the year. It's a Lincoln. It's Lincoln Continental. I believe it's a Mark 3. Since that's what the fender tag says in the dash. Big, huge dash. It's got power windows, everything, power seats. And the radio has I don't know anything about these cars, but the radio has you can get there. It has a town button and a country button. I don't know if that boosts the range of the antenna when you're in the country. I'm not sure. It's got an air system. I don't know if that's some sort of cheap air conditioning, but you can even look at the gas pedal and the fancy. Well, the dash is pretty. It's got 66,000 miles on it. That's pretty cool. It's even got a trip. That's a very cool looking dash. It's huge in here. Headliner is nice. In the visor there, it has a nice pattern to it. Rear seat is in excellent shape. Front seat needs work. And we're pretty sure the back window rolls down. Or not rolls down, but powers down. That would be the part of the air system, I believe. Looks like at one time it came, it does come with fender skirts, but they're gone. But you can see there's a little bit of rust there, but that's a really easy panel to fix. Really funky looking tail lights and back end here. The key, we don't have keys for it, but on the hatch there it says directed power differential. I could not tell you what that means. Does it have a 2-speed rear end like Mercury or some of the Cougars or something like that? Just let us know if you know. Gas tank still does look like the original cap. Looks like it's all pretty much there, this thing, except for the fender skirt. This side is looking mint. Betting there's some rot underneath the moldings, but it's a very funky car. Can't open these doors, they're seized. Yeah. But usual moss that we get, the Manitoba moss around here. Doors are even, this one has some flaking, but that's just some old Bondo patchwork. The front fenders are pretty mint. The glass you could even use. It's got a crack way up top there, but other than that, it's nice. Not sure what size engine these things have. It's seized. I tried to pull it over. It's even got a glass canister. I'm assuming that's some sort of ancient pollution. Weird, huge, it's got ribs in it. That'd be a cool thing. Yeah. It's got a Holly carb. So if you know what size motor, we haven't researched this thing at all. So if you know what size engine this thing should have, Let's put that in the comments. It's painted a nice green, nice aqua green, and the car is maroon. Look pretty funky looking. I don't know if that's some sort of new or old brake powered brake booster. It looks like it. That's very weird. The whole car is strange. The headlights are tilted at an angle. It's got some rot around the tail, or the headlights, I mean. But the grill bumper, perfect shape. This fender is in perfect shape also. This door has the same little problem as the other door. There's the VIN tag, or a body tag or something. Well, yeah, it's got these are got to be power windows because it's got 6 power windows. I'm assuming that's for the rear. I'm not sure what that is, but it's a fairly well optioned. Well, it's a Lincoln, I guess. Power seats. Can't get into the back, but let's see. Don't like sitting in this smelly thing. It's even got a 8-track. I don't know if that's probably not factory. There's a button under here. Is that the glove box? Oh yeah, that's the glove box. Inside we have a broken light and some remnants of mice, and that's the other fender. The only thing cheap on this thing is that's hollow. It's almost like plastic. Huh. Yeah, it's got some funky weird switches. Dash is pretty cool though. But it's a huge car. This thing's got to weigh I don't know, 5,000 pounds. That's a big monster, but the body's in excellent shape. But it's a big body. To fix this thing, but you never know. It's practically all there. Shame that, well, this window's been down. Someone forced it down, and I think part of the key, yeah, they took the ignition tumbler out of it, but the glass is there. I think they just forced it down, and this front seat needs work. But other than that, shit. But it's been sitting here for many years, and I'm almost positive that Rick bought it in this condition. A lot of the cars that you see here, he's gotten for work that he's done on cars, in lieu of money, I should say. So yeah. Well, if you like this, there'll be more to come. Maybe not big boats like this, but yeah, there's some big boats around here. We'll take a look at some other ones. See you on the next one.